Money 1015 DSC Plateau. Security staff contingent led by Sri Raghuvir Gundimeda, Deputy Manager Security ASC. Fire staff contingent led by Sri Ambar Gupta, Fire Officer Engine Division. Rover Scout contingent led by Sri Shiva Paddy, Assistant Rover Scout Leader. HA New Public School Boys contingent led by Master AP Jayant Gowda, Flag Bearer Master. HL New Public School Girls contingent led by Kumari B. Shamita Rani, Flag Bearer Kumari Hamsapriya. And now the prestigious Pipes and Drums Band MEG Center led by Subedar Major G. Ramu. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ HL East Primary and High School Boys contingent led by Master Samrud, Flag Bearer Master Harsha KP. HL East Primary and High School Girls contingent led by Kumari Shreya, Flag Bearer Kumari Vaishnavi. And now HL Gnanajyoti School Boys contingent led by Master M. Sri Ramchandra, Flag Bearer Master Sudarshan. HL Gnanajyoti School Girls contingent led by Kumari Hasini S, Flag Bearer Kumari Sneha Batan. ಈಗ HL Public School Boys contingent, Platoon Leader Master Shubh Mittal, Flag Bearer Master Rishabh Ghosh. And now we have HL Public School Girls contingent led by Kumari Adya Shri, Flag Bearer Kumari Lakshya C. Shekhar. And now dispersal of flower petals over national flag by HL Fire Brigade team. A unique way to express our respect towards national flag by Fire Department. We can see a rhythm of unity on the marching track. It truly gives a sense of unity, discipline and determination. The march past is an example for a saying, individually we are one drop, together we are an ocean. What a synchronization this team had. Let's give one more round of applause to our marchers. Let's clap for them. Now HL New Public School Boys contingent to the left and right HL East Primary and High School Girls contingent. ಈಗ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಎಡಕ್ಕೆ ರೋವರ್ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಕಂಟಿಂಜೆಂಟ್, ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ HL ಜ್ಞಾನಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿಂಜೆಂಟ್. On dais we can see left side 5 staff contingent and right side HL ಜ್ಞಾನಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ girls contingent. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ HL Security Staff contingent, right side HL Public School Boys contingent. Here comes HL Company DSC contingent, left side from there and right side HL Public School Girls contingent. Ladies and gentlemen, we have been practicing for hours on this ground for the past 1 week, and every marcher has put its heart and soul. They have all performed and contributed in this March Past. Now it's our turn to respond. Let us give a huge round of applause for our masters who made this morning so energetic and lively. ಯಾವುದೇ ಬಿಸಿಲನ್ನು ಲೆಕ್ಕಿಸದೆ ಮಳೆಗೂ ಎದುರದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಪತ್ರಸಂಚಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಳೆದ ಒಂದು ವಾರದಿಂದ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ಈಗ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಪೈಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಮ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಮಿಲಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅವಿಲ್ಲ ಸೈನಿಕ ವಾದ್ಯ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಈ